very warm good morning to all of you and welcome to this class. In the previous class, I have discussed about the linear equation, how to solve the fractions, how to solve the equations involving fractions. And today, I'll discuss word problems. So word problems based on linear equations. So let's start with the question, because in maths when you solve more and more questions, you will become more and more perfect. So let's start. The question number 1. One-fifth of a number is 5. Find the number. Find the number. So as it is written, word by word we will follow it. Clear? So 1/5 of a number is 5. So first we will suppose let the number be x. So right here, let the number be x. 1/5 of a number. So number is x. So 1/5 means what? 1/5 of x is equal to 5. So first you write the equation. 1/5 of x means x by 5. And this is equal to 5. And so x will be equal to what? 5 into 5. That is 25. Okay. Now the next. Slowly I'll increase the level of the questions. Okay. So all of you please pay attention in the class. Next question. If 5 is added to a number, the result is 69. Find the number. Find the number. The number be x. If 5 is added to a number, then result is 69. Just word by word follow it. Then x will be equal to what? 69 minus 5, and this is equal to 64. Okay. Now next. The sum of twice a number and 4 is 80. Find the number. Find the number. Okay. So the sum of twice a number and 4 is 80. Let the number be x. So the sum of twice a number means what? 2x plus 4. This is equal to 80. This is the equation. You know how to solve it. First you write 2x, 80 minus 4. This is what? 76. And so x will be equal to what? 76 divided by 2. That is 2 3s are 6. 1 is here. 2 8 is 16. Clear? This is simple division. This is not very difficult one. Like when you divide this way, then also you get what? The same answer. Like 2 3s are 6. 1, then 16. 2 8 is 16. And this is cancelled, and the answer is what? 38. Okay. Now the next. The difference between a number the difference between a number and 1/4 of itself. 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. Find the number. Clear? The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself. So again, let the first you will write what? Let the number be x. So difference between a number means x minus and 1/4 of itself means what? X by 4 is 24. So then solve it. Here nothing is, we can write 1, then LCM 4. 4x minus x is equal to 24. 4x minus x is equal to what? 3x is equal to, we can write like this, 4 will come here, then x will be equal to 24 into 4 by 3. So how many times? 3 8s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. So the answer will be what? 32. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Find a number. Find a number whose 1/3 part, whose 1/3 part exceeds its 1/5 part. 1/5 part by 20. Clear? Find a number whose 1/3 part exceeds its 1/5 part by 20. Exceeds means what? This part is greater than this part. Means there is a comparison between two parts. And you know, whenever we compare, means what we have to do? We have to subtract. So there also we will do the subtraction. So 1/3 part exceeds, let the number be x. So 1/3 of it exceeds 1/5 of it. And this is by what? The difference is by 20. Always remember that whenever exceeds word is there, means you have to compare. And when you compare, you find you have to subtract. Now find out the LCM. LCM will be what? 15. 3 5s are 15. 5x. 5 3s are 15. 3x equal to 20. So 2x by 15 is equal to 20. And so x will be equal to what? 20 into 15 by 2. So 10 means what? 150. So the answer will be 150. Now the next question, let's solve. The sum of two numbers is 18. The sum of two numbers is 18. If one is twice the other, find the numbers. Find the numbers. Clear? So the sum of two numbers is 18. if one is twice the other, let the number be x. The first line, let the number be x. So it is given if one is twice the other. So if one is twice the other, if one is x and another one is what? 2x, and this the sum is what? 18. Means we have to solve this equation. So it is very easy. Yes, 3x 18 and x is equal to what? 18 divided by 3, that is 6. So 6. So find the numbers. It is not written number, it is written numbers. Means both the number we have to find out. So first one is x and the second one is what? 2x. So 2x means 2 into 6. This is 12. So one number is 6 and the other number is 12. Okay. Now next. A number is 15 more than the other number. A number is 15 more than the other number. The sum of two numbers is 195. The sum of two numbers is 195. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay. The number is 15 more than the other number. The sum of two numbers is 195. Find the other number. So let the number be x. Yes. So x and a number is 15. Means the other number is what? X plus 15. One number is x and the other number is x plus 15. And the sum of these two numbers is what? 195. So like this, first you write the equation and then you solve it. So when you solve it, you will get what? 2x is equal to, directly we can write minus 15, because this will come this side, it will become minus. And so it will be what? 180. So x will be equal to 180 by 2. This is equal to what? 290. Find the numbers. Numbers what is here? Means 1 is 90. Other number is what? X plus 15. So x plus 15 is equal to what? 90 plus 15, and this is equal to 5 and 10. 105 answer. Okay? I hope you all have got the same answer. Now the next question. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 54. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay? The sum of three consecutive even natural numbers is 54. Find the number. Consecutive means क्या? What is consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other, or we can say लगातार, है ना? एक लाइन में जो नंबर आता है. So it is asked about the even natural number. Then how we will take it? First, let the number be x, and the first number will be what? X plus 1 plus x plus 2, not x plus 2. Even natural number, so 3. Then plus x plus 5, and this will be equal to what? 54. So first, second and third. Now this question must have come in your mind that it is written here even number. Why we have taken odd number? So this question must have come in your mind that, ma'am, why have you taken 1 here? It is even. You know the concept. The way I am giving you also that When you add 1 to 1, it becomes 2. Clear? When we add 1 to the odd number, always remember, when we add 1 to the odd number, the number becomes even. Like 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Okay? So that is why whenever even numbers is written in the question, you take the odd number. And whenever odd number is written in the question, you take the even number. Because 2 plus 1 is what? 3. I hope it is clear. Yes. So this is the basic thing of the maths, or you can say basic thing of this type of question. So even numbers means x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 9, like this you get. When odd number is given in the question, then x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 5. And the concept is what? That whenever we add 1 to the odd number, we get even number. And when we add 1 to the even number, we get odd number. Clear? Okay, so now let's do this one, solve it. So 1, 2, 3, 3x here. So write here 3x plus 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 5, 9 is equal to 54. So 3x is equal to 54 minus 9. And this is equal to what? 9, 5, 14. So 5 here, 4. X is equal to 3, 15. Okay. So x is 15. But what we have to find out? X plus 1. So x plus 1 will be equal to 15 plus 1. This is 16. Then x plus 3 means 15 plus 3. This is equal to 18. And the next is x plus 5 means what? 15 plus 5. And this is equal to 20. So see, it is asked about the even number and we have got all the even numbers here. Clear? Now the next. So you must have noticed, slowly I have increased the level of the question, so that you also become very perfect. Slowly you will become perfect. All of a sudden you can't be perfect. Slowly, with the practice, with the regular practice, with the rigorous practice, with the full concentration, when you practice, you become perfect. So now, let's do the next one. A man is 4 times as old as his son. Okay? After 20 years, he will be twice. He will be twice as old as his son at that time. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay. A man is 4 times as old as his son. After 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son at that time. Find their present ages. Then we suppose what? Let the age of son is x. Yes, so first line we will write here. Let the age of son be x. Okay? Let the age of son be x. Let the age of son be x. So a man is 4 times as old as his son. So age of son is x. Then the man's age will be what? Man's age will be 4x Okay. What is as after 20 years? Now, this word is very important. Sometimes you here it is given after. Maybe you get before also. So remember, whenever after word is used in this type of question, then we add that much year. Like here after 20 years. So here we will add 20 years. If before word is mentioned, then we will subtract. Clear? Like it's very common also. Like suppose one child is 10 years old. So after 4 years, the age of the child will be what? Of course, 10 plus 4, 14. Clear? So that is why whenever after word is used, we add. And if present age of the child is 10 year, then before 10 year, before 5 years, before 5 years, what was the age of that child? क्या होगा? बोलो. What we do? We subtract, then only we'll get the answer 5. So always remember, when after the word is used in this type of question, we add, and when before word is used here, before term is used, we subtract that much here. And why? The concept I have given. Clear? So now let's do this one. So after 20 years, he will be twice. He means man. ठीक है ना? He means क्या हो गया? Man. So man will be twice because after 20 years, of course, man's age will be more than his son's age. So after 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Here mention also son. So don't get confused. Son, if this one is son, then this one will be what? Man. So man is what? 4x. Clear? So according to the question, 4x. Clear? 4x. Man's age is 4x. So 4x plus 10. And this is equal to what? So 10x plus 20. 4x plus, not 10, 20 years. 20. 4x plus 20. So 4x plus 20, this is equal to 2x plus 20. Done? Now solve it. So 4x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. So like terms together, 4x minus 2x and 40 minus 20. So 4x minus 2x, 2x is equal to 20, and so x is equal to 20 by 2, this is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10, means the son's age is what? 10 years. Or for man's age. Okay? So man's age will be what? Man's age will be 4x. So 4 into 10, this is equal to 40 years. Clear? So son's age will be after 20 years, son's age will be 10 years, and man's age will be 40 years. Now next. The numerator of a fraction is, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than 4 less than its denominator. Its denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, both its numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. Then first line you will write it, let the denominator be x. Clear? So let the denominator be what? X. Then the numerator will become what? 4 less than its denominator. Means x minus 4 by. Clear? This is the equation. Then its denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, 1 is added. See, as it is written in the question, do it here. If 1 is added to the numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 minus 3 x plus 1 and 1 by 2. Now cross multiplication. So 2 x minus 6 x plus 1. So 2x minus x 1 plus 6. This will come this side, this will come this side, sign will get changed. So x will be equal to what? 7. X is 7. But we have to find the fraction. We have to find, means x is denominator. So in denominator we will write 7. Numerator is what? Numerator is 4 less than. 4 less than means 7 minus 4. And so this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 3 by 7. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be 3 by 7. This will be the answer. Clear? So this 3 by 7 will be the answer, because here we have to find the fraction. In fraction, numerator is also there and denominator is also there. I hope all the sum must be clear to all of you. Clear? Thank you very much for this class. Have a nice day.